Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Dad's 801 Garage and the 801 Life. It's been a while. I just want to give you guys a little update on our winter project this year. We didn't do an old truck, as you guys can see. Behind me is the truck we're working on. It's a lot newer. It's not a classic, but it's still a truck and it's a lot of fun. We love trucks here. So this one, I want to give you a little bit of update on some of the things we've done to it since we bought it and kind of where we're going. We have a really big surprise coming up next week. I'll make a new video on that and I don't want to give it away, but we'll share that one with you when it comes time. For right now, let's take you in and show you this one. All right, well, right here is a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT. We got it. It's a pretty cool story. A little bit of a backstory on it is we bought it from the family of the original owner. A dad had bought it and had it since he got it brand new back in 2010, and he passed away 4 years ago and left it to his son, and his son has kept it around and done a couple upgrades to it, thinking that his son would take it, but his son had other plans, and so they decided to let it go. Finally, they've been holding on to it for sentimental reasons, but finally decided to let it go, and I got a really good deal on it. It's out of St. George, Utah, and so it really hasn't hit any snow, and it sat in a two-car garage out there. He never really towed with it. He went golfing and gambling out in Vegas, back and forth to Riverton to visit his sons. So very well taken care of. He's got a cool little record book that he's kept of all the services since he got it new. I'll show you guys that in a minute when we look at the inside. And so yeah, let's take you around. I kind of want to give you an idea of some of the changes we've made since I picked it up. I've had it about a month, and it's slowly coming along. We've done some cool things to it, but give you a little walk around here. So these are new Fuel Saber wheels. They're 20 by 9.5s, not real big, not the super deep dish that seems to be pretty popular. It has a Rough Country 2.5-inch level kit on the front. We added these badges. It had been debadged, and honestly, I kind of liked the badges, so I added the Hemi badge and put those flags on it. The previous owner upgraded the exhaust, and we'll start it up here in a minute for you and let you hear that. And he did a air raid or cold air intake on it. Kind of improved the breathing on this truck. As you guys can see, it's got that hard paint matched tonneau cover. That's been on it since he ordered it from the factory, so that bed has never been wet. I'll open it up, show you guys the inside of the back of this thing. Those are the stock wheels that were on it. I'll put a picture in there of when we first picked it up. Had the stock 5-spoke mags, the gray ones. But he even ordered the this custom, I guess, carpet kit that kind of goes in the bed of this to protect it. It's got a little light back here, but it's even lined on the inside of the underside of that tonneau cover. Real nice, very well taken care of. He also upgraded the headlights to some really bright bulbs. I like them. It seems to light up the road really well at night. And then since I got it, we added the window tint on the front doors. Then we added the tinted stripe across the top. We added the molded the Husky floor mat kit, the molded kit that goes all across the front and the back. They added the Apple CarPlay, the Alpine model. Really like that. It seems to operate real nicely. But we got some kind of cool little plans, kind of make it our own. You know, we can never leave anything alone with any of the cars or trucks that we work on here. We're always trying to make some sort of change to them. The level kit looks really nice. Those tires, they're brand new as well. They're the 285 60/20s, and they are 60,000 mile tires, so hopefully, you know, they'll be a good setup for a while. The level kit looks really nice on it. Kind of want to show you this cool little notebook here from the original owner. Pretty cool. Shows every little thing that he has done. See right there. All of the services for all these years. So I've continued to do that as well as from when I picked it up. Some of the things that I ended up doing, I bought it on December 8th. Went and had a full service done on it. I did some engine cleaner, let it idle for a little bit to kind of clean out any buildup that might be in there. Put a new windshield in it, some new wheels, the window tint. And then I have a big surprise coming up, like I said, next week that we'll be able to share with everybody. I'm kind of excited to see how that turns out. But the previous owner did a lot of good maintenance on this truck. Like I said, they added the upgraded exhaust, the air raid, cold air intake. They also had the bolts fixed, that typical header bolts that break off and start to leak, causing that noise. There isn't a cam and lifter problem yet on this thing, and it does have high miles, so if we encounter that, then we'll address it. But so far it runs great. So let's take you around. Go back here a little bit, let you get a better look at that, how that sits with that level kit. It looks nice. And let's do a cold start for you. I actually just went and got it washed, so I have been driving it, but it definitely sounds good. Let's set this up. Give it a little bit of gas. So that gives you an idea of kind of our new project. Pretty pretty excited about it. I really enjoy this truck. I had one just like it that I used for work for quite a while, and I always thought I would love to own one. And so I'm excited to have this one. We'll see what we do with it in the long run. I don't have a real good history of holding on to these trucks very long because we kind of get excited about going on to a new project, but this is where we're at with this one. So, all right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this update. We're excited to do some things with this truck. We'll see how it turns out, and please feel free to comment and ask questions if you want some ideas on the parts or whatever we've used. I can certainly provide those later, and keep you updated on the progress of this truck. If you love Dodge trucks, maybe you'll enjoy this little project and follow along, and let us know what you think. If you have some questions about maybe even the shops that we've used or the items, please reach out. So that's it for today. It's a cold winter day. We're gonna get back inside, and it's beautiful out here today, but it's freezing. So this is gonna be a fun winter project. We'll see you guys on the next one.